everyone, this is Astrid. Today I'm going to make Astrid's virus out potion.
Now let's begin with the materials that we will need on Astrid's virus out potion or moisturizing hand sanitizer. First, we will need an empty, clean bottle. Next, measuring cups, a spoon, and a knife that we will be supervised by mommy or daddy. Then we will now start also with the ingredients that we will need. An alcohol and
Aloe vera.
and some aloe vera.
It's so spiky.
It's so spiky. And essential oils that,
And scent.
yeah, the scent that you want on your alcohol virus out potion. Now let's begin.
Okay.
Now let's start cutting off the aloe vera. So this will be done by adults and the kids will just have to wait. Yes. So we can open up the aloe vera.
Is it aloe vera inside?
Yeah. Now let's get the cup and a spoon that we will use to scrape the aloe vera with. Okay, let's gonna open it up. Can you scrape it off and put it in the cup, Astrid?
There's the aloe vera.
Let's scrape it out. Oops.
It's so sticky. It's super slippery. Aloe vera in there.
Now we're able to extract our aloe vera. We'll just need to mix it and mash the tiny bits. Yes. And on our empty, clean bottle, we will be mixing 250 ml of 70% isopropyl alcohol, 10 ml of aloe vera or approximately 2 teaspoons, and essential oil of based on your preference. What scent would you like? But my daughter chose
Lavender.
yes, lavender, and I wanted to have Thieves. So after mashing the aloe vera, we will now begin mixing our ingredients in the bottle. Now let's start to pour in
The aloe vera.
the aloe vera on our bottle.
Aloe vera's pouring. Aloe vera's dropping.
After pouring the aloe vera, we will now put our 250 ml of 70% alcohol. Okay. And the last ingredient is our essential oil for the scent. We're gonna pour in 5 drops of lavender. Okay, you're gonna do it. Be gentle, slowly. 1, 2,
3, 4, 5.
5. And 5 drops of Thieves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many drops of essential oil?
There's 5 and 5.
Oh, how many was it?
It makes 5 and 5 makes 10.
10. Good job. Now, just just have to close our...
Shake it.
Yeah, shake it.
Shake, 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 shaky, shaky, shake.
And we're done with our Astrid's Virus Out potion. Our moisturizing hand sanitizer is approximately 67% isopropyl alcohol. Wanna try some?
Yes.
That's
good.
If you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the thumbs up button. And if you want to be notified on my future DIY projects, don't forget to hit the bell button. Thank you, ka-DIY! See you in my next video. Bye!
Bye.